I want to show you how to export your current frame as a still image from Procreate Dreams. Feel free to download this exact file from the instructions in the description box below. So I am now inside this project. Say that I want to draw something based on my current frame in a different app. So all I need to do is to tap on the name of my movie from inside the project, and then tap on share, and tap on current frame, which is the third option. And then Procreate will let you choose a location where you want the current frame to be saved at. And here is how we export the current frame from Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.